Hallo, ek is E.T. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. This is a short and sweet video to explain the difference between the Afrikaans word weet and the Afrikaans word ken. In order to do that, I also included the word verstaan. Verstaan. Verstaan is the Afrikaans word for understand. It also means to comprehend, but the Afrikaans word we use for comprehend is begryp. Let's take a look at the examples. Ek verstaan nie wat jy sê nie. I don't understand what you are saying. Verstaan jy wat jy verkeerd gedoen het? Do you understand what you did wrong? Sy gaan nooit hierdie somme verstaan nie. She is never going to understand these sums. Now we get to the word, or one of the words that you have requested. Some people have asked, how do I use weet and how do I use ken? So weet is the Afrikaans word for to know or know, but more specifically, it means to have knowledge of or to know of. Now when we get to ken, this distinction will become more clear. These examples should help you understand this word better. Ek weet nie waarvan jy praat nie. I don't know what you're talking about. Weet jy waar Jannie is? Do you know where Jannie is? Hulle weet nie wat ons weet nie. They don't know what we know. And finally, we get to ken. Ken as a noun means chin. As a verb, it also means to know, but it means to know someone, something, or someplace, to be acquainted with. It's not to know of or to have knowledge of, but rather to know, to be familiar with, to be acquainted with. So the examples hopefully will clarify this some more. Ek ken nie die man nie. I don't know the man. Ken jy vir Jannie? Do you know Jannie? And the last one, sy ken die werk en sy is reg vir die toets. She knows the material, or she knows the course material, the coursework, and she is ready for the test. You can change one word in each sentence. So you can use verstaan in the first sentence. Sy verstaan die werk en sy is reg vir die toets, which means she understands the course material, coursework, and she is ready for the test. But you can't use weet in any of these sentences. Let's look at the first one quickly. Ek ken nie die man nie. You can't say ek weet nie die man nie. So that is just, it can't. If you're about knowing someone, knowing someplace, you can't use the word weet. It's only when you have knowledge of. Ek ken, but if you say, ek ken die boek, ek ken die plek, it's, I know the book, I know the place. You can't say, ek weet die plek, ek weet die boek. It's not possible. Right, so you can't use weet in these sentences. I hope you can now differentiate between weet and ken, and that you will now be able to use them in sentences and in conversation. If it's still not clear, let me know in the comment section. And if it is clear, also let me know, please. Alright, you guys must have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.